is never a good sign.
Hello, handsome. Please don't flirt with yourself.
We've been waiting. For what?
Come to our world. Sounds fun. No. Don't touch. Too late.
My paw is inside.
Pull it out. Time is short. This is bad.
See? Freedom.
There's two of me?
Catch them, I'm trying.
Break the mirror. With what? Sorry, mirror.
Do it. We will return. I hope not. Lesson learned. No more mirrors.
Subscribe before my mirror twin comes back. Please do.